Safe and pure drinking water is essential for the health of our loved ones. Therefore, it is essential to maintain our water purifiers regularly. But generally, we tend to wait for our purifier to stop functioning instead of checking it regularly. Why? Because we think that regular maintenance is expensive. So to make things easier, Blue Star offers you the annual maintenance contract, a simple and economical way to maintain your water purifier. There are two types of AMCs, Advanced AMC and Comprehensive. Under the Advanced AMC, all electromechanical parts are covered and the consumer gets access to unlimited breakdown visits and to preventive maintenance services. In Comprehensive AMC, apart from the benefits of Advanced AMC, need-based replacement of all filters and RO membrane is also covered. Now let's understand the benefits of AMCs. In the market, changing the filters, RO membrane or replacement of PCB or RO pump would cost around 6 to 7,000 rupees. But with Blue Star's AMC, the same would cost less than half. AMC also assures genuine and quality spare parts to protect your water purifier from cheap and hazardous components. Blue Star's AMC ensure that your water purifier remains safe and lasts long. For more details, contact us or visit our website. Blue Star Water Purifiers. Purity you can trust.